Okay, this is BMWTEQ from eBay, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use this version 57 with just a standard OBD2 cable. So it's just a standard Inpa cable. So I've got it over here. Mine's a bit broken from the side, but as you can see, standard OBD2 cable and a serial port connection. So I'm going to plug in the OBD2 cable. Okay. Plug that in, make sure the green light's on. Plug the serial port into the back of my laptop. If I can find it. Yep, okay. So, serial port connected, EDR's cable, and a green light. So, this is this. Okay, we got the two green lights. So if we head over onto diagnosis, we're in a 5 series E39 shape. By the way, this version 57 goes up to 2009. So you can see we have all the E80s, E90s, E60s, and now we also have the Fs. Anyway, 5 series E39. Click on the green arrow. Click OK to any errors or anything like that. Sorry, that was a seat. Okay. The vehicle and the equipment automatically. Okay, that's fine. So we can click OK. Basically, I just want to show you it connecting it. I'm not going to start doing proper tests, as that starts taking ages. Because if I was to do a quick test, it will go through all these modules, and that's a lot. What I could do is, if I tell it just to do the diesel electronics, oops, cancel. So have only DDE chosen, click. Oh, what have I done? Wrong one. Go back. Supposed to click quick test. Okay, so right now it's doing the DDE. It'll come back with it'll probably come up with a few errors because I haven't started the engine because I don't want the noise as the door is open. While that does that, as you can see, it is in fact an E39. Okay, it's done. So you click, once it's done that, you click the arrow. Engine has come up with a glow plug. I know about that. I've got a glow plug system issue. If I click next, see, I've got a glow plug system. Right, it's giving me a diagnosis test information, a fault code. Okay, so basically tell me, well, I'll just give you the details of what the issue is and how to troubleshoot it. if I click next. Yes, okay, now we'll start going into proper testing, and it will start putting, you know, the component under stress, or we'll test its electronics or stuff like that. But basically, that is it. I'm going to end that, quit that. Don't want a diagnosis report, so I'm just going to terminate all of that. Get it back onto its main menu. But as you can see, standard OBD2 cable, serial port. If you don't have a serial connection, you can use a USB adapter. I think they're £2-3 off eBay. I'm running it on a Dell D630, but I've also installed it on my Windows 7 desktop computer upstairs. I was pretty bored, so I've taken a picture. But yes, that's it really. Thanks for taking time to watch the video, and you can purchase the software off eBay. Comes with all the instructions, everything, etc, etc. It's pretty quick to install now. The machine's already made up, so you just need to do a bit of copy and pasting and number crunching and you're sorted. Okay, thank you.